Hello, this is Pooja PS. I am pursuing BA in Information Science at Channabasweshwara Institute of Technology, and today I am going to teach about removing the duplicate elements from an array. And this is the algorithm we are following here to remove the duplicate elements from an array. That is, the first step is we are creating an auxiliary array, that is the temporary array temp, to store the unique elements. And the second step is we are traversing the input array and one by one copying the unique elements of the input array to the temp array. And also we are keeping track of the count of unique elements. And this count we are calling it as j. And finally we are copying the j elements from the temp array to the input array and we are returning the j. Then we will get the array where the duplicate elements are deleted. And this is the C++ code that we are writing to remove the duplicates from an array. Here we are creating a function called remove duplicates, and this function will remove the duplicate elements and it will also return the new size of the modified array. Here we are giving the input array and the array size as the arguments to this remove duplicate function. And here we are checking the condition, that is if the array is empty or if it contains a single element, then we are simply returning. And here we are checking the for, that is we are traversing the elements here, and this if condition we are checking if the current element is not equal to the next element, then we are storing that current element to the temporary array here. And this is the condition where we are storing the last element to the temporary array, that is we are storing last element as it is either unique or it is repeated, we are storing the last element. And this is the for loop, that is we are modifying the original array here, and this function returns the array where the duplicate elements are deleted. And this is the main code, that is the driver code. Here in this main code we are creating a simple array, that is 1 2 2 3 4 4 4 5 5, and this is the input array that we are taking. Here the duplicate elements are 1 2 2 4s and 1 5 are the duplicate elements, and this should be removed and the output should be 1 2 3 4 5, which will be the output. And for that, here we are assigning the n value as size of array divided by size of array of 0th value, and this we are assigning n, and we are calling the remove duplicate function here, and this remove duplicate function returns the new size of the array, and here we are printing the updated array, that is the output we are printing here, and we will get the output where the duplicate elements are deleted from the array. And this is the output that we get, 1 2 3 4 5, as I said earlier. Thank you.